Welcome to Livimo, where we explore UX, prompts, and vibe coding. In this video, I'll introduce you to vibe coding, a way to turn your ideas into creative UX with the help of AI. Every designer knows this struggle: staring at a blank screen, stuck with creative blocks, or spending hours on slow manual prototyping. It wastes time, kills flow, and adds pressure. That's where vibe coding comes in. It blends AI prompts into your design process, transforming frustration into flow. Here, AI is not just a tool, it's your creative partner. Problem designers face. Most designers spend hours on manual prototyping. It's slow, repetitive, and can block your creativity. You've probably felt it, staring at the screen, struggling to push your ideas forward, or running out of time before a presentation. Solution: what is vibe coding? Vibe coding blends AI prompts into your design process. Instead of seeing AI as just another tool, you treat it like a creative partner. It helps you turn vague concepts into structured, interactive prototypes while still keeping your unique designer touch. Payoff 1: what makes it different? Unlike traditional UX methods, where you manually build each screen, vibe coding lets you describe your design challenge in natural language. AI interprets it and generates layouts, variations, or even components, letting you focus on refining the experience instead of starting from scratch. Payoff 2: AI as your creative partner. Think of it like this: instead of you doing all the heavy lifting, AI becomes your design buddy. It gives you fresh ideas, quick prototypes, and sparks new directions. It doesn't replace you, it amplifies your creativity and helps you stay in the flow. That's the power of vibe coding, turning ideas into creative UX with AI. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe to Livimo, and share in the comments what part of vibe coding you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and remember, design smarter, vibe stronger.